In this video, I'll show you how to remove a phone number from your Snapchat account. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat account and tap on your profile icon. Then tap on the settings icon. Here, you'll see your mobile number. Normally, you can tap on it and remove it, but Snapchat requires you to add another phone number for verification. Otherwise, it won't let you remove the current one. But don't worry, I'll show you a simple trick to remove your phone number without adding another one. Step 1. Log out from your Snapchat account. Step 2. Tap on Sign Up and create a new account. Enter your first and last name. Select your birth date and leave the default username. Tap Continue. Step 3. Set a password. Now, add the same phone number that you want to remove from your main account. Snapchat will send you a verification code. Enter it and tap Continue. Step 4. Tap Skip and then skip again. Now your phone number is linked to this new Snapchat account. To confirm, tap on the profile icon, settings icon, and you'll see the number added here. Step 5. Log out of this new account and log back into your main Snapchat account. Go to your profile icon, settings icon, and you'll see that the phone number has been successfully removed from your main Snapchat account. That's it. You've now removed your phone number from Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.